All right, what is going on, guys? So you guys know that the transmission is back in the car. We had to get the exhaust fixed because the hanger kept breaking off. I only got one hanger and I should have two. It's a lot of weight for this one little hanger to hold, and it tends to break once in a while, but we just fixed the one for now. And I'm gonna put the exhaust on the car. Now, we did run through the gears with it on jack stands, but I think that today, now that, I also did an oil change yesterday, put a new Wix oil filter on, some 50 weight VR1 engine oil, and you know, as a little bit of a reward for the hard work, I think we're gonna go out for a cruise. I got the dealer plate, throw that bitch on here, and go for a drive, make sure the gearbox is good, make sure everything's good, go put some fuel in it, and I don't know, maybe grab a bite to eat or something. So first things first, exhaust on, new tires, these ones are smoked, and go for a drive. Alright, she's back on the ground, exhaust is on, transmission's tight, start it up, see what it sounds like, warm it up. I'm going to prime it because I changed the oil. Okay, now I'll turn the fuel on. After a week and a half being down, she's ready to go. We are gonna go into town, and got a plate on the back here, and we're gonna go make some noise. Right, first stop is the old gas pump. She does run on good old 93 octane. Get my wallet. Alright, we're out of here. On the road again. All these rednecks love this thing. Dude, it's so fucking hot. Actually, it's not that. If you just ride in your race car all the time, then Florida isn't that bad when you get out of the car. Alright, made it. Starbucks. She's not a bad daily driver, I'll be honest. Not a bad daily.
Hot.
I'm filming a video right now of these spinners on this car. Alright, so I'm talking to my mom on the phone right now, and she was at a gas station in Salem today at 8 AM PM, and somebody came up named Jose and said they watched the videos. So shout out Jose, thank you for watching. This car, hold on, this is, damn, this thing is sick.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, I'm having fun. It's monsooning, and we don't have windows or wipers. Well, we made it home. The car performed fantastic. Our transmission rebuild is all good. There is one little sound, it's like a ticking noise. Almost sounds like a zip tie is like hitting a flap, like maybe the flywheel. I don't know, I have to get underneath it. But of course, pulling into my driveway, my bumper fucking fell off and got destroyed again. I can't win with this bumper. God damn it. So much work just to keep a bumper together. Well, I guess that just makes for another video of bumper repair. Let's assess the damage here. I kind of like filming with the GoPro, to be honest with you guys. This is a GoPro, my other camera. The memory card's full. But this was already cracked right there, and it just cracked way worse. I almost ran it over, but I didn't, so it's still in one piece. This is all scratched. This is all scratched. I fixed this last week. So, yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing fiberglass. Maybe I'll get good at it eventually. Alright, so I think that's going to do it for today's video. That was a lot of fun. I've never really got to drive my car on the street like that. I think we just clocked like 30 miles of driving, which is pretty wild. All that happened was stupid bumper. It's not stupid though, it's my favorite bumper in the whole world. But it's stupid because it falls off and breaks. So maybe I need to reassess this whole deal here. The goal is to go as long as possible without having to order a new bumper. Like when I order a new bumper, I want it to be like completely mandatory. Like if this bumper could just last the rest of this season, I'll be happy. And then I can order another 2F Performance kit, have the car looking flossing again. Also shout out to 2F Performance. But yeah, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. And yeah, hopefully have another video tomorrow fixing this bumper. Should be a blast.